If you're considering private internet access, or PIA, as your VPN service, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. We'll compare it to other top VPNs to see if it's the best fit for you, so make sure you watch till the end. The first thing you should know is that PIA offers a huge server network with over 35,000 servers across 78 countries. That's significantly more than many competitors, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, who have smaller server counts. This means better speeds and more options for bypassing geo restrictions. However, having so many servers doesn't always guarantee the best performance, as some of them can be crowded. Next thing, PIA's security is top-notch. It uses AES 256 encryption, which is industry standard, and offers a kill switch, DNS leak protection, and a strict no-logs policy. While this is great, it's worth mentioning that other VPNs like ExpressVPN are also known for their high-level encryption, but they tend to offer slightly more comprehensive security features. The third thing to consider is PIA's speed. While PIA is relatively fast, its speed isn't always on par with premium VPNs like NordVPN or CyberGhost. This can be a concern if you're streaming or gaming, as slower speeds could affect performance. PIA performs well in most scenarios, but if you're looking for ultra-fast connections, you might want to look elsewhere. The fourth thing is that PIA is very affordable. If you're on a budget, PIA's pricing structure is one of the best, especially compared to high-end competitors. You can get long-term plans that offer good value. But remember, sometimes paying a little extra for speed and premium features might be worth it, depending on your needs. Another important thing is PIA's streaming capabilities. PIA unblocks some services like Netflix and BBC iPlayer, but it struggles with others like Hulu or Disney+. Competitors like NordVPN or ExpressVPN are much better when it comes to bypassing streaming restrictions. So if streaming is a big priority for you, keep this in mind. Next thing, PIA allows you to connect up to 10 devices simultaneously on one account. That's quite generous compared to competitors like ExpressVPN, which only offers 5. However, if you only need to secure a few devices, this feature might not be essential. The seventh thing is its app compatibility. PIA offers apps for all major devices: Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. While this is great, you might find that its apps are a bit less polished compared to more user-friendly VPNs, like Surfshark or ExpressVPN, which have a more intuitive interface. Another factor is PIA's privacy policy. They have a solid no-logs policy, but it's worth noting that they are based in the US, a country known for its data sharing agreements. While they've never been caught violating their privacy policy, some users might feel uneasy about that location compared to VPNs based in more privacy-friendly countries, like Switzerland, with Proton VPN. The ninth thing is PIA's split tunneling feature. This allows you to choose which apps use the VPN and which don't, providing more flexibility. While many competitors also offer this feature, it's especially useful for users who want to use the VPN for specific activities, like browsing securely but keeping their local network speeds for gaming. Next, PIA's customer support is adequate, but not as stellar as some competitors. You can reach them via live chat or email, but it may take a little longer to get answers compared to other premium VPN services like NordVPN, which have 24/7 support and faster response times. Another thing is that PIA supports torrenting on most of its servers. This makes it a solid option for people who prioritize downloading, but do keep in mind that some VPNs, like CyberGhost, specialize even more in P2P traffic, offering optimized servers for torrenting with better speeds and fewer restrictions. The 12th and final thing is PIA's free trial and money-back guarantee. PIA offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is great for testing the service. However, they don't offer a completely free tier, unlike some competitors who provide free versions with limited features, like Windscribe. Overall, PIA is a solid choice if you want an affordable, secure, and well-rounded VPN service. However, if you're looking for faster speeds, better streaming access, and a more user-friendly experience, check out our recommended VPN, which offers a free trial so you can try it risk-free.